Welcome to our channel. Family travel creates wonderful memories with proper preparation and realistic expectations. Step 1. Choose family-friendly destinations with activities appropriate for your children's ages. Step 2. Book accommodations with space and amenities like kitchenettes or laundry. Step 3. Pack essential items like snacks, entertainment, and comfort objects from home. Step 4. Build flexibility into your itinerary for naps, meltdowns, and spontaneous interests. Step 5. Involve children in planning by letting them choose some activities. Step 6. Schedule activities during times when children typically have good energy. Step 7. Bring strollers or carriers for young children to make walking easier. Step 8. Research child-friendly restaurants that welcome families. Step 9. Pack a well-stocked travel bag with first aid supplies and medications. Step 10. Plan for downtime and don't overschedule activities. Step 11. Take turns with your partner on kid duty so each gets some relaxation. Step 12. Lower expectations and embrace imperfect moments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.